So your Barbie, what does she have? A necklace? And she has a ring? Oh, pretty, pretty. So do you like the Barbie that Santa brought you? Yeah. Cool.
We'll have to send Santa a thank you note, huh?
Yeah. It's like, goodbye, Passy. Yeah. If you go and put your Passy in Santa's mailbox, maybe he'll take it to the Passy Fairy. And then they'll take it to the babies that need it.
Put it under the pillow so that Santa can come and take it.
Oh, okay.
Like the Tooth Fairy.
Oh, just the Passy Fairy. Okay. Cool. All right, Barbie. Hello, hello. Streetwalker Barbie. I was kidding. Oh, pretty ring. Cool. All right, Abby. Daddy opened up your Barbie.